Hi, are you frustrated with slow systems, manual processes, or tools that just don't work together? I'm Joe Root, and I've started Coos Tech Ninja, and we're kicking the struggles and hassle out of IT so your business runs smoother, faster, and smarter. I help small and medium businesses optimize their systems, sharpen their strategy, and drive scalability by integrating the right tools and unlocking the full value of their data. Because when your tech works the way it should, your whole business works better. That means everything from automating time wasting tasks that slow down your team to integrating tools so your systems actually talk to each other, to helping owners scale their operations with data driven insights. No more clunky processes or missed opportunities. I'll show you how to make technology work for you, not against you. I'm here to level up your tech game with quick, actionable tips every week, and when you get to a point where you'd rather not handle the technical side of things yourself, you'll have someone you trust who can help, whether it's me or someone from my network. So what's your biggest tech problem? Hit subscribe and drop your issues in the comments. I might fix yours in the next video.